Welcome to our review of the Bwine F7 GIM Pro drone. This drone is equipped with a 6K UHD camera and 3-axis brushless gimbal, delivering stunning footage and photos with unparalleled stability and clarity. The Bwine F7 GIM Pro drone features a groundbreaking industrial aesthetic design with a 3D laser-etched texture and bold orange propeller accents. This drone is not only high performance, but also visually striking. With its 6K Ultra HD camera and 3-axis brushless gimbal, this drone captures ultra-clear photos and videos with 30 pictures per second. The gimbal increases dynamic stability accuracy by 60%, ensuring smooth operation in strong winds or high-speed scenes. Perfect for beginners, the Bwine F7 GIM Pro drone features one-button takeoff, automatic return, and intelligent novice mode with height limit protection. TOF and GPS sensors boost low-altitude stability by 55%, making it easy to fly like a pro. Enjoy seamless 4K real-time video transmission up to 10,000 feet with the latest digital image transmission tech. With 70 minutes of flight time and in-flight battery monitoring, you can capture stunning footage without interruption. The Bwine F7 GIM Pro drone features pro-level aerial intelligence with GPS smart modes, including auto-generate cinematic moves, follow me, orbit flight, and waypoint planning. Intelligent return to home reduces flyaways by 97%, and night mode 2.0 slashes noise by 70% in low light. With a full English manual, 5 pro guidance videos, and 24/7 bilingual support, you'll have peace of mind with the Bwine F7 GIM Pro drone. Plus, enjoy a lifetime drone warranty and firmware upgrades with a free imported explosion-proof case included. Get your Bwine F7 GIM Pro drone today and experience the ultimate in aerial photography. With its stunning 6K camera, advanced features, and worry-free service promise, this drone is perfect for capturing breathtaking footage and photos. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to learn more about this drone and other great products. Thanks for watching, and photos, this drone is sure to exceed your expectations.